Got this small studio apartment. This cost me, I believe this apartment cost me $30 or $28. I literally came here last minute, so I needed something now, and I had a doctor's appointment. I didn't want to carry all my luggage, so I messaged a couple people. This wasn't like my first choice; it's like my fifth. But she was like, "Cool, you can come in now if you want." So this was perfect. I landed at 9:30, so I just got here. It's about 10 a.m. So gotta make do what you make do. It's a little warm today in Bogota, so hopefully it chills a little bit later. It gets a little colder, but listen, for the $28, $30 I paid for this a day, of course I'm not gonna cook or anything. But got a sink here, got a little mini fridge. It's near. I'm like 2 blocks away from Park 93, basically. All right, so I got my stuff here. Bathroom. There's hot water to give you enough tissue. Some soap, some shampoos. There you go. Mirror. Full mirror. One. And what else we got? Where's my phone? And you get a view of this. But listen, there's other apartment buildings. I believe Parque 93 is 2 blocks. So go up here, make a left, 2 blocks that way. Starbucks and everything is down there. So I'll give you guys a walking tour. I don't think there's a gym and stuff in this building. So I'll record that for you guys as well. But for now, put this down. I'm going to walk to the gym and so you guys can see the anemones. So there's a terrace. Okay. Come up here and chill. Wish they had some of those games you can play with, like Connect Four or the Hop one. Try to get inside the hole. I do hate these small apartments, but like when it's actually time, I don't know if I want to live in Bogota or Medellin. So it's actually time when I start looking for apartments and I'm on a hunt. We can definitely check it out. But I like Bogota. I love Medellin as well. So it's just about figuring out what I want to do, man. But maybe Medellin, maybe Bogota, man. I honestly don't know. That's my issue. Can't make my mind up. Definitely not gonna be Cartagena. I love Cartagena, but it's too hot over there. Way too hot. I'm from Miami. I dealt with the hot my whole life. I don't need it to be that hot anymore. I lived in New York, so I kind of like the Bogota feel a little bit, but I hate the traffic. And then Medellin, they have a lot of stuff there, but I just have to see. Like I was telling you guys, you just walk out. I'm staying in a building right there. Walk out. You got like 2 or 3 blocks and you're there, so let's walk with me. It's actually not that cold today. It's probably about 69, 68. Weather usually drops later in the day. Should I go to McDonald's? I need some breakfast. I'm hungry. It says 10-minute walk. It's really like a 6-minute walk. It's not that long. I'm starving, man. I'm really hungry. Should I go to Starbucks? Has been my addiction here, because they got the strawberry acai lemonade with whipped cream. That thing's amazing. Yeah, they got food vendors. Honestly, I could have left the jacket. I could have left my jacket. So I got a hair transplant appointment because I need help here in my corners. So I'm gonna bring y'all with me today. That's basically the mission, the goal. So I have 3 things I want to do today. 1 was get a Airbnb. That's already finished. 2, go to my hair transplant appointment. My friend's gonna come with me. 3, that's like a flea market. So I'm looking for, like, there's a sneaker market here, I was told. So I want to go there and buy some sneakers. So that's my goal. Swap these out here. Get some Nike Dunks. So that's my goal for today. And then get some food. And then make some content. That's what I want to do, man. Guys, also let me know in the comment section down below what you guys want from me. I'm trying to do better with my videos. And I want to take it off and just show you guys my travel hacks. I have so many travel hacks that can help with you guys. That's how I travel so much for a decent amount of price. So we almost there. Literally, you bust a left, you're here. You literally just gotta make a left turn here. Oh, I just lied. Yeah. Starbucks is literally right there. You just make a left. And you are here. There's actually another area where there's clubs. I don't know if this is the club area. It's just, I never went to any of the clubs out here, so I don't really know. Almost. So yeah, Starbucks is right there. Boom. And Parque Terrace. Burger bar. I'm actually gonna go get a burger there. Every time I came here, I looked at the place, but I never ate there, so I'm gonna go and get a burger from there. That's my goal. I'll go to McDonald's and get an egg and cheese, some fries. That's usually what I do. I mi amor, the ice cream shop. Yeah. I actually don't know. I'm not too good with my bearings right now. Not even right now, I'm a little confused. I'm pretty sure there's clubs like walkable from here. No, there's 2 areas. It gotta be. Yeah, there's an area where there's clubs and an H&M mall and stuff like that. Nah, this isn't that area though. But I do like to stay in this region. This particular part. I gotta go to the other place. I don't even know what it's called. Cause there's an H&M. Let me check my phone. Zona Rosa. That's what I was talking about. Zona Rosa. See, that's what I was talking about. Cool. I was confused. I'm like, where is this place? But anyway, guys, I'm gonna go to the hair transplant place. So I'll see y'all over there, man. Peace. 2. I like to look back. Like anywhere I go. I've never been here before. Isake? This is.
I have a.
You have one?
No, but no bucket.
In mi casa, I have a throne.
I have establishment.
¿Cómo estás?
Bien.
Mira los lindos.
Sí, muy linda.
Mira. System of the Down.
Wow.
Iron Maiden. Amy Winehouse. Gorillaz.
This is Bosa, pero acá.
Yeah.
Wow. ¿Cuánto es esto?
Look, 150,000 pieces.
Sí.
Look. Sorry, it's one stone. Storm resistant. Look.
Wow.
It's a handcraft, handmade.
Yeah?
Now it's possible you can see my work in one store, another shopping center.
No, this is impossible.
It's,
Yeah.
of course, urban art. Right?
Yeah, this is nice. You have a phone number?
Wait, My telephone?
Yeah.
311.
Because my sister, I'm a sender.
Okay.
She'll love one. So I
Is this
want-
you have WhatsApp?
yeah.
Oh, of course. This is my WhatsApp. Okay.
So you can do a custom. Okay. ¿Estados Unidos o Colombia?
Colombian.
Colombia.
Colombian, right? This is Colombian.
What's it? Usaken? Usaken. This area is. I've never been here. I come here all the time. I've never been here. That's crazy. Usaken. Usaken. Starbucks.